So we're here down in Niagara Falls, Canada, and right now you can see I am playing a little bit of Pokemon Go back and forth, but right now I just want to show you a little bit and focus more of my attention up here in Niagara Falls, Canada, because it is -8 degrees Celsius. It's been snowing for over a week right now, and it's quite the bitter cold, I want to say. It's beautiful, it's quite the icy one, but for me, I don't mind this kind of weather. 15-20 minutes out here, it's not a problem. But then my hands start freezing. I'm like, oh my goodness, I really need to get some hand warmers. So I'm just out here, just with my Piplup.
Aww. And now, here's a group of Piplup out for a little stroll. Cutie pie!
The falls haven't completely frozen over. Quite the cool adventure. So I just want to say, of course, we be rocking, we be rolling. Nothing too crazy. Niagara Falls is always fabulous. Just want to say, 4 seasons of the year, you'd be surprised how much you'd be able to see quite a bit down here in Niagara Falls, Canada, especially during the spring and summer. I can't wait. So awesome sauce. Let's go, Piplup. Let's go. And oh heck yeah, this is where we are, down by Terrace Resort. What the? Yo, that's sick. And they're going for 550 tickets each. These are amazing. Yo, that's... Of course. Oh yeah! Woo! Let's get my custom passport. Well, good morning, and it's nice because it is the weekend, pretty much leading up to Pokemon Go style. So it's my first weekend playing Pokemon Go, and really interesting to see what's going to be pretty much in store here at Clifton Hill. I don't expect too much because today's quite the cold, really cold wintry weather. Yo, very tan. Hope we especially last night. Holy moly, tons of snow. Just immediately fell within like not even 3 or 4 hours of each other. Like I mentioned before, oh my goodness, this is what I do whenever I'm pretty much on my Pokemon Go adventures. It's crazy, right? Where the heck is your socks, brother? I remember back in the day when I was just reaching level 50, people were going like, wow, that's crazy. You're actually out here catching Pokemon Go. Yeah, just out here in general, just even when it's cold outside, I'm like, yeah, that's usually is my thing. For the most part, yeah. Especially during the spring and summer, that's when I'm in full bloom in the waves. And now with the whole YouTube thing going.
Yes! Yes! Can you feel that, buddy? Huh?
A whole lot more opportunities, windows open, and everything else like that too. And I know the kids love the Pokemon cards. But like I mentioned before, definitely a lot of money, and for the average Joe, hard to get. I'm gonna have to admit, that sky is amazing. Woo! I'm gonna say it's pretty cold outside, but it's a nice day though. Let's make our Berry Angel. What do you think, Berry Chan? Look at that. What?
He already knows it. He's taking a bang. What is he doing?
He's winning, Justin.
It doesn't hurt.
Nani?
Oh!
Look at all that amount of snow there is, Piplup. That is crazy. And as we get closer over here, that's where the Horseshoe Falls is. Pretty much like 2 or 3 minute drive away from this location.
Niagara Park bus kind of coming slow to a crawl because of the driving conditions. And look at how high the snow is. Look how much snow there is. It's crazy. Let's go though. This is crazy. Wow, how much snow there is. Holy. I was gonna say, what a day so far. Periodically, just to make sure, because, yeah, that's quite a bit. Look at this bear over here. Oh wait, it's a reindeer bear. What is this? What? But look what I found underneath the cute kitties. Look at this. Look at this. Aww. This one's not too bad for a Jacob pup, to be honest with you. But it looks like they reduced the Dormon just a little bit. We just got the really big one last week, but I didn't know that they already came out with it. So I'll still take one of those small ones. They're pretty cute. Alright everybody, we got Bulbasaur in action. Alright, let's go ahead and play a little bit of breakout. We're pretty much going, done with our Pokemon Go adventures. Everything's been pretty good so far. And I just wanted to say, especially with the trips going on around here, look at it, it just started snowing right now. But I'm looking super forward to the next adventure. Just want to say, we be rocking, we be rolling. I was gonna say, I'm really glad that they got some Pokemon stuff though. Woo. Gotta say, it is quite the cold one, so woo. Hopefully everyone's doing okay. And you know the usual, my sweet supporters, so I miss doing this sort of thing. I haven't been down to Niagara Falls in a little bit, not even like last week. It definitely accumulated quite a bit more snow today, about another 5-10 centimeters on top of this, so right now, just basically gonna see how the falls is before dusk appears. It's not too bad though, quite a bit of snow in between. Woo! Woo! That's what you climb. Let's go. Okay, so they moved the zipline building a little bit differently. So this wasn't here. It didn't exist before. Well, of course, it was more closer to the zipline area. So it looks like they are doing some renovations. Let's go, because we're here on the go. I don't usually order a hot beverage, but I decide, why not this time? Okay, it's not bad. Some people don't realize, if it gets really cold, even minus 22 degrees Celsius, it has to be like this for several days, at least a week and a half. And then you kind of have something like this. And people think it's frozen, but it's actually not frozen. There's still water flowing from underneath. And that's basically what it is. So here we go with Niagara Falls. It's very beautiful. Wow. This is incredible.
You know what the crazy part about this is? So I'm still gonna order like an iced cappuccino in this really cold weather. It's minus 8 degrees Celsius right now. What? But I finally got my hot beverage here. This is actually acting as a hand warmers. I didn't intend for that to happen, but I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna be out here for a little while, my hands are gonna start freezing. I might as well just show you a little bit of this before I'm pretty much back on the go. Pokemon Go style. Let's go. There's the Rainforest Cafe right there, inside the arcade. Just inside the same building where the Sharon is. The weather, and you can see the concessions are closed. This one, they had to re-renovate that one though. And I was like, really? Why did they renovate again? Balancing life between playing Pokemon and doing my arcade adventures, especially with what I have to do pretty much every day in my single life. It's been a really interesting balance, but I wouldn't regret pretty much experiencing what I am right now, especially with my own YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy many more of my adventures to come, and thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hopefully you get to see more down here in Niagara Falls, Canada.